So we start off today's video with this amazing long to short transformation. She starts off with long blonde waistline hair. And the stylist cuts the hair to this beautiful tousled lob haircut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at the latest in fashion, beauty, and everything in between. Today's video will feature 14 captivating long to short transformations. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair and shaking things up with a shorter do, this channel is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Absolutely gorgeous bob haircut transformation. The bob is always such a chic classic style. This looks absolutely incredible. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. And bam, chic little bob makeover. And then we see someone with long hair once again. Switch things up to this gorgeous lob shoulder length bob haircut. Loving the dramatic angle with this particular lob. Just looks so modern, fashionable, and chic. Next up, we see someone with long hair once again. The stylist places the hair into ponytails. And it looks like she decided to switch it up with this gorgeous mid-length cut. Wow, absolutely gorgeous blonde bob transformation. So there is the before, starting off a brunette and ending with a bob and blonde. Gorgeous cut and color combo. Next up we have a pixie haircut makeover. looks like she ended up getting more of like a pixie style or a micro bob variation. Very pretty. Here we have another fresh bob makeover. The stylist is mixing in some bangs. Oh, this is an absolutely gorgeous French girl inspired bob. So if you guys have been enjoying these hair transformations, don't forget to like today's video. Here we have another stunning bob makeover. Another French girl inspired bob. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. And she has also decided to shake things up with a bob haircut. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of today's hairstyles with me and you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fashion, hair, and everything in between, and I will of course see you in the next video.